If you run a WooCommerce store and you've ever tried to create a product catalog, you know the pain. You either export a CSV, manually paste products into a design tool, and then the moment a price changes, you have to do it all over again. There's a better way, and I'm going to show you in under 2 minutes. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, and search for FoldSquare. You'll see FoldSquare for WooCommerce. Hit Install. Activate. Then connect to FoldSquare. That's it. No API keys to copy, no configuration files. Now you're inside the FoldSquare builder. First thing, pick a template. I'll grab this one. Here's the part that actually saves you time. On the left, all your WooCommerce products are already here ready to add to your catalog. And if tomorrow you update a price in WooCommerce, it updates here automatically. You never re-export, never re-upload. The catalog stays current on its own. When you're ready to share, you've got two options. Export as a high-resolution PDF, perfect for printing or emailing to wholesale buyers, or publish it as an interactive 3D flipbook your customers can browse online. The free plan needs no credit card and has no time limit. And if you want to unlock more, use code ENJOYTHEBETA at checkout for 50% off your first paid period. Link to the plugin is in the description. Drop a comment and let me know what kind of catalog you're building. See you in the next one.